bothering you. 40 years of uncontrolled burning, panic attacks in the form of fires. We invite you to a course, deep breathing, toasting bread. Duration, eternity. Result, peace. I went to anger management class. I'm sitting on a chair that's too small for my butt. The cave is the kitchen, the fire is our therapy. The therapist said progress, even though I think it's betrayal. Burning villages, I'm burning calories, that's right. My treasure isn't in a world with a crispy crust. From the horror mountains to the master of Oatmeal, this is my path. I see the connection between reality and behavior. Once upon a time, wars, now picking kings. My therapist is progress and gives me a sticker. I laugh because I stuck it on my forehead. It's hard to breathe when your breath melts stones. Hey, I'm not burning villages, I'm burning calories, that's right. My treasure isn't in a world with a crispy crust. From the horror mountains to the master of Oatmeal, this is my path. I see the connection between reality and behavior. When the moon is full, the instinct awakens. I look at the sleeping city, bright, tempting. Then I leaf through the recipe book. I remember, the power is not in destruction, in creating bread. Crunch. Hey, I'm not burning villages, I'm burning calories, that's right. My treasure isn't in a world with a crispy crust. From the horror mountains to the master of Oatmeal, this is my path. I see the connection between reality and behavior. So, who wants to come to the master class? Fire is art. Bring bread, jams, cheese, I promise not to breathe the heat. Well, almost not to breathe a little for the atmosphere. Because my real goal is not to destroy the world, but to cook it a delicious breakfast. Fire, 180 degrees.